How to purchase Google Storage online. This tutorial shows you how to buy more storage through Google One directly from your computer. First, open your browser and go to one.google.com. After that, sign into your Google account. From there, click on Upgrade Storage or Buy Storage, depending on how it's labeled. At this point, you'll see different storage plans available, along with their monthly or yearly prices. In the next step, click on the plan that fits how much extra storage you need. Following this, click Continue to proceed with your selected plan. Once done, choose between monthly or yearly billing if that option is shown. From here, click Next to move to the payment step. At this stage, enter your payment details or select a saved payment method if you already have one linked to your Google account. Keep in mind, once purchased, your new storage limit applies instantly across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos combined. Finally, click on Buy to complete the purchase and confirm your upgraded storage. And that's it. If this guide helped you purchase Google Storage online, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.